Ladies and gentlemen, we are back on day 25 of our 2 steps to manifest a miracle in your life, Earl Nightingale's powerful process. Here we are on day 25, and we now have to start thinking about what we have learned about ourselves. You have been putting in a level of effort and consistent effort in a way that most people will never test themselves on. Most people simply will never go through a process where they have to do this type of work and be that focused and deliberate consistently every single day in the pursuit of one single goal. Because you have done it and you have learned that about yourself, that you have the ability to do it, you are now in that flow where you recognize that you have the ability to create and manifest bigger and better goals for yourself down the road and continuing on. Stick with it the way you're doing it now. Make sure that you're reading your goal card every day, working harder than you've ever worked before. See it through to the end of the course, and when you achieve that goal, you will know something about yourself that most people never recognize. They have the ability to achieve goals that they never thought that they could before, things that other people might even tell them is unattainable. You know you can do it now. Let's get to it, folks. Rise and shine, heroes. Your world needs you.